Have you come from Boston and Ireland specifically for the funeral of Pope Francis?
Yes, we've come from Galway specifically to come here. We originally were to come for a canonization that was supposed to be on Sunday, I believe. So, we're here now, and we weren't sure if we were going to get in, but we decided to join the queue to be able to go and see the late Pope Francis.
What memories do you think you will take from today into the future?
I think just the amount of people that are gathered here, like seeing the Universal Church, is quite profound, I think. I was here last year with the Queen's University Belfast Catholic Chaplaincy, and we got to, as a group, meet Pope Francis, and I had no idea that a year later we'd be here at his funeral, and so it's quite moving, just the Universal Church aspect of it, and of course being here after he's passed away as well.
Thank you so much for talking to us this afternoon.